My brothers and sisters, we're going to come and make free SHS better. I started free SHS. I launched free SHS in 2015, and we started the program, and the MPP came and continued it. Unfortunately, the implementation has been very poor, and so it ended us in double track. But NDC is going to come. All the community day schools we're building, 200 of them, we're going to come and finish them so that all the children can get schools to go to. We're going to, with the community day schools we're building, we're going to add dormitory blocks for girls and boys so that those who don't come from the community where the school is sited, if they choose that school and they're posted there, they'll be able to get a decent place to live and learn. And so we're going to do that, and I assure you, my countrymen, Ghanaians, that within 1 year, I will cancel the double track.